So today we're going to be looking at the H225M from Airbus, the medium to heavy lift multi-role helicopter that could be of interest to the Irish Air Corps going into the 2030s. But before I continue, I'd first ask that you like, comment and subscribe. Now the particularly very capable H225M is a potential acquisition by the Irish Air Corps in the intermediate future. So now, as the Irish government faces increasing pressures to expand its defence capabilities, particularly in maritime security, there is a compelling case for acquiring 10 of these advanced helicopters. Stationed across three key locations, Dublin, Cork and Clifton, this investment at €25 million per aircraft amounts to €250 million. Yet it is a lot of money, but it is a sound investment, one that will deliver unmatched maritime protection to Ireland, and it will give also rapid troop transportation and critical safeguarding of Ireland's coastline. So these are the specifications for the H225M. I'm now looking at the Airbus website, and they're saying that the H225M is a multi-role military helicopter designed for tactical transport, combat search and rescue, medical evacuation and special operations. It can transport up to 28 combat equipped troops to or configure for medevac operations with 11 stretchers plus 4 medical attendants. The H225M operates from both land bases and ships in all weather conditions, including severe icing, though I can't say for sure whether they will be compatible with the Irish ships currently in operation. So the 225M has a range of around about 920 kilometers with standard fuel tanks. It's extendable out to 1,250 kilometers with extended fuel tanks. The maximum endurance with standard fuel tanks is 4 hours and 30 minutes, extendable beyond 10 hours through air-to-air or hover in-flight refueling. Maximum cruise speed is 260 kilometers per hour with a maximum speed of 320 kilometers per hour. Now, as I said, I'm not sure whether that operates from the Irish ships currently in service, but they are capable of operating from ships and, of course, land bases, supporting maritime and amphibious operations. It features all-weather capability, including severe icing conditions, night vision goggle compatibility, and proven ship-based operations with navies including France, Brazil, and Malaysia. It's also survivability features built in insofar as the structural mainframe is reinforced. There's high energy absorbing landing gears built in and crash-worthy self-sealing tanks. Crew protection includes armored seats and optional cabin armor plating. The H225M's defensive systems comprise radar receiver, missile approach warning, laser warning receiver, chaff flare dispensers, and infrared suppressors on both engine exhausts. So the maximum external payload is quite impressive in that the load is 4,750 kilograms for heavy lift cargo operations. That's in sling mode as it is. The H225M's high density cabin floor accommodation sizable internal loads, while the maximum takeoff weight with external load is about 11,200 kilograms, making it suitable for tactical transport and logistical missions. So what's the engine? The engine will be the Safran Makila 2A1 turboshaft engine. So there's two of them on board, each providing 1,560 kilowatt takeoff power and 1,760 kilowatt in one engine in operative 30-second rating. The H225M's modular engine design facilitates maintenance, while the 5-blade main rotor driven by these engines deliver exceptionally low vibration levels. So also a comprehensive autopilot features are built in that they have a 4-axis dual duplex automatic flight control system providing outstanding precision and stability. The H225M's AFCS integrates dedicated SAR flight patterns, automatic hover with 1 meter precision from any altitude, and that instrument flight rules, procedures, and fully automatic hovering at any speed, reducing workload while enhancing safety. So in terms of the weapons loadout, the munitions on board, you'd find the A225M can be fitted with the Airbus H-Force modular weapon system, which offers 4 configuration packages from ballistic weapons to guided munitions. So the armaments are fairly comprehensive, and they can be fired through electro-optical systems or helmet-mounted sight display. So you can see yourself just going through all of that, just how comprehensive that particular aircraft is, and in my estimation, that would go very well for the needs of the Irish Air Corps going into the future. Now, in terms of the 225M, it stands as an ideal platform for the Irish Air Corps heading into the 2030s. This helicopter offers a perfect blend of coastal surveillance and troop and material transport, ensuring that the Irish Air Corps is ready for a new era. So by adopting this platform, Ireland will not only strengthen its maritime defences but also bolster its strategic position within the European Union, ensuring both national resilience and international cooperation well into the future. Now, if you like this video, I'd ask that you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And on to the next one. Bye for now.